The Arch House or Mirai House of Arches. The house with the different type of huge arches, inverted arches for the openings. A curved volume punctuated by arches opening created a sheltered open space as an extension of internal volume in this 8,000 square feet. House to mitigate heat gain in the response to desert and climate of its location. Bhilwara city, located at the west side of the India and the southeast side of the Rajasthan state. Bhilwara was formerly a part of Udaipur, princely state, and became the part of the Rajasthan state in 1948. This house, designed and planned by Sanjay Puri architects. Designed on small corner plot of 696 square meter, which is a 7,500 square feet area within a residential villa layout. Mirai is a contextual in a response to a hot desert climate of Rajasthan. Based on the location, a southern and eastern side have minimum open space with the adjacent villas on those sides to build in the future. The northern and western side fronting a road junction have more open spaces within a garden area and existing trees. Planned for a family with the three generations living together, the house has 3 levels where G plus 2 floors with 4 bedrooms, 2 living rooms, a gym and study area as well. Sectionally, the height within vary with an interesting play of volume in each part of the house, bedroom of a single volume, dining area of double volume and living area. A curvilinear punctuated envelope surrounds the house, creating interesting semi-open spaces all along the perimeter with the deeper recesses on the garden facing side. This envelope reduces the heat gain while providing the sheltered open space around the house to each room. Designed to mitigate heat gain in response to hot and arid climate of the location, this envelope keeps the entire house cool in the hot summer month within a temperature in excess of 40 degrees Celsius for 8 months of the year. The design creates energy efficient spaces with the reduced heat gain and indirect natural light in each part of the house. Opening outward with the distinct arch aperture, the facade creates a series of shade, semi-outdoor terrace. Thus, the envelope results in the reduction in heat gain and ensure that each room open to its own shady outdoor space. Scallop wall finish in earth color plaster wrap in the airy interior filled with the arches at this home. Inside, the spaces were organized around the center longitudinal corridor running east to west that divide at the home, featuring a small pool of water at the one end on the ground floor and with the living room, dining area, kitchen spaces as well as main bedroom occupied the ground floor with 3 further bedrooms on the first floor and a study and gym area on the second floor with the terrace area. Depending on the use, these spaces have been designed with a different ceiling height with open double height living room and dining area spaces contrasted by smaller bedroom. The upper level have been set back to create a shaded terrace and balconies finished with the wooden decking and sheltered by slatted canopies. Continuing the form seen in the exterior room are separated by arch opening, framing the layers view through the home and also aiding natural ventilation. Material: earthy tone of stone, wood, plaster define the interior palette, making use locally sourced material and finishes. The features are water recycling, rainwater harvesting, solar panel for the energy generation. This house is built sustainably and it's climate responsive as well. If you like this educational video, then hit the subscribe button and comment below your thought about Mirai House of Arches or arch house. Thank you.